Let's get right into it. Alexa, wash the dishes. We're going to work on our Alexa sign now. Now, if you're like me and you like to see little signs around your house like Alexa, wash the dishes, Alexa, turn off the lights, things of that sort of nature, then you'll know that those Alexa signs that you've seen around are really cute. So instead of buying one, I decided to make it. That's the beauty of having a Cricut. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our Alexa sign. We're going to get into the font for the Alexa sign. So, of course, you're going to go to your text and you're going to go to your fonts. And then the font that I chose for my wording for Alexa is called the Samantha text. Excuse me, Samantha font. Now, actually, the Samantha font is not a font that comes in Cricut Design Space. You'll actually have to purchase this font. But if you purchase it, you will not be sorry. It's a really nice script font that you can do many things with. I decided to purchase it. I bought it on, I think, the Mighty Deals for about $17, and it is completely worth it. You won't be sorry. So if you guys want to get that text, that font, you should actually get it. Again, it's the Samantha upright font. So we have our first wording. We have our word Alexa. And I'm going to change the coloring to black. For some reason, all of my wording defaults to gray. I'm not sure why, but it does. Anyway, we now have Alexa. We have the makings of a great sign coming together. Then next, we're going to do our wash the dishes font. Now, our wash the dishes font is a font I did get from Design Space, and it's called the Chloe Whimsy font. So you're just going to go up and type Chloe, and you'll find the Whimsy font here. Now, there's actually two different fonts. Just make sure you use the Chloe Whimsy font. Because this is going to be over my kitchen sink, I wanted it to look a little whimsical or cute. So, oh, look at that. I changed my Alexa font to the Whimsy font. Now, I'm going to show you how you can go right back and put your correct font in. You just keep it highlighted. You're going to click it twice, and now you have your Alexa font. Next, we're going to get our text box, and it's going to automatically generate our Chloe font. So, again, if you have the latest version of Cricut Design Space, you notice that they had a recent upgrade where they added this text box for some reason. I'm not sure why. The other way was fine. It's a little annoying, but I guess once you get used to using it, it won't bother you as much. So, of course, I'm going to have to delete this, and we're going to write wash the dishes. Now, this is the bottom half of our sign. So we have our Alexa at the top, we have our wash the dishes at the bottom, and now you're going to need something for in here. I usually like to make my signs have a little, what I like to call razzle dazzle. I don't like just plain signs, something that just says like this. I want it to be a little self-descriptive. So for this sign, I chose a dishes image. Now, the dishes image I actually downloaded it. It's a free SVG, and I thought it would give my sign a little razzle dazzle, as I said. Now, you can choose anything you want. You can choose dishes, you can choose splash marks, you can choose whatever you want to zhuzh up your sign. But I chose the dishes because, again, we're telling Alexa to do what? Wash the dishes. So I'm going to go to my uploads, which is where everything uh, SVGs I've downloaded, bought, I save. So we're going to go to our dishes. We're going to click add to canvas. And there we go. Here she is. And this is our dishes image, which we're going to put right in the middle of our Alexa sign. So now, as you can see, we have Alexa wash the dishes sign. Now, of course, for all of these projects, you're going to need some type of plaque or wood plaque to put them on. Again, All of the plaques that I have, I actually purchased from Michael's. They were really cheap. I was able to put this entire project together, including the centerpiece and the little signs, for under 12 bucks. So, of course, you're going to have something to put your projects on. But here you go. Here is our Alexa wash the dishes sign. Now, you're going to have to remember to attach it so it becomes one complete image. So you go to attach, and now you can see it's one image, and then you have it. Of course, you're going to send this to your machine, again using your removable vinyl, whichever color you choose. Once you put it through your machine, of course, you're going to weed it and you attach it to your sign. And lastly, I will be back with my plant sign. Stick around.